Hi guys, it's Hoshi. Today I'm going to show you this makeup which is K-pop star Hwasa inspired. I heard I look like her in one of my videos a lot, so I thought I should do it. And actually it's my first video in English. Then let's get started. I'm gonna follow this picture which is on her Instagram and which was the day for a TV show 환불원정대. First of all, I'm gonna put darker foundation than my skin tone since she has a tan skin. And then highlight using this concealer for the bright parts of her face. After that, I set my full face lightly for blending well. And I'm gonna go with this contour powder to contour around my nose to make it look like hers. And then using another brush, contour the outer part of my face. Next, I'm gonna draw her eyebrow shape using the bright color of the eyebrow powder. And shape my eyebrow following the guideline for her thin eyebrow. And then fill it with the dark brown. Now I'm gonna do this orange eye makeup, so I start off with this color. I'm gonna put this all over my lid basically. Then put this darker brown shade right here on the outer corner. She has a deep crease, so I'm trying to make it. Next, I'm gonna go with this gold shimmer shade to highlight on the center of my lid and the inner corner. After cutting my eyelashes, I'm going to apply mascara. She used the eyelashes in the picture, but I don't have the similar one, so I tried to make my eyelashes like that using these tweezers. She used the bottom lashes as well, so I'm applying this for my bottom lashes. After that, I'm applying a winged liner, taking it up than my usual line. Then I'm gonna go with this orange brown shade on the eye corner, the crease again, and my lower lash line. Finally, we are going to with these lips which is nude pink and make sure it feels over than my lips. I thought the blush should be thinner. I also fixed the differences in other parts after comparing with the picture. And last but not least, I'm going to put a mole which she has on her cheek after covering my own cheek mole. Then it's done. I was really excited doing this makeup because I also wondered how much I could be similar to her if I seriously tried to look like her. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you for watching. Bye!